Hear this.
We're updating our monetization rules to penalize low-quality, repetitive videos.
Exactly. The focus is now on prioritizing
If you're a creator, you absolutely cannot afford to miss this update. Trust me, this is going to shake things up. Starting July 15, YouTube is going to tighten the rules on monetization, and if you don't adjust, you could find yourself losing that sweet revenue. So what's happening? Here's the lowdown. YouTube is cracking down on low quality and repetitive content. If it's just spitting out the same tired stuff over and over without adding anything new, fresh, or creative, you're in trouble. The days of getting by with cookie cutter content are over. YouTube wants more original and valuable content on the platform. So if you've been playing it safe by recycling the same old ideas, this is your wake-up call. But don't panic. Bring something new to the table. Stop copying and pasting. If you're just rehashing content from others, YouTube is not having it. Edit your videos well. Make sure they are polished, engaging, and actually interesting to watch. Here's the big takeaway from YouTube. If you're going to use AI or creators who are willing to put in the work, the lazy channels, they are going to fade away. But the creators who take their craft seriously, they will be the ones rising to the top. So no need to be scared. Just keep doing things the right way. They will be the ones rising to the top. So no need to be scared. Just keep doing things the right way, and you'll see your growth skyrocket. Ready to kickstart your successful Faceless YouTube channel? Join the YouTube Launch Blueprint Academy today and learn exactly how to make your channel a better one. Let's make 2025 your year on YouTube. This does not mean AI generated or faceless channels are being banned. Far from it. What YouTube is really saying is, if you're going to use AI or keep it faceless, do it with style and substance. How to stay safe and keep that monetization flowing. Use your own voice. Even if it's AI assisted, make sure it sounds real. And
how to keep YouTube monetization flowing. Using your own voice, adding original commentary, avoiding copied content, and editing videos well.
So for this next section, I want to add some original commentary to really make it my own. I think that will help with engagement.